What's up, traders? It's Chris here. So welcome to our top trade review on this one here. This one is on a Forex pair, Aussie US dollar, from one of our longer time students, a gentleman here. He's actually getting pretty close to going live full time professionally, which we've been talking about. And I wanted to share with you his live trade here on the Aussie dollar, which is a day trade, and it's a counter trade setup. Most of our trades have been with trade. This one's counter trend. I'm going to be sharing with you exactly his strategy, his entry, stop loss, take profit, and some areas I think he could have improved upon, showing you how we teach our students to make money trading and how we can improve your trading performance. So getting into the details here, this is the trade here, Aussie dollar from, here's the actual broker chart, and he showed us when he ended up closing it. The entry on this one here is 66.75. Stop loss 66.88, so 13 pips stop loss, very tight stop loss in there. With about a 1 pip spread, you're really talking about a 12 pip stop loss. And his target was 66.22, so you're about 53 pips and 12 pip stop loss. So total plus on this one was 4.17 for every $1,000 he risked. He walked away with a little over $4,100 in profit here. Very nice trade, 3 hours and 4 minutes, just in and out in a few hours, bam, quick done. Nice day trade here. So here's the actual trade from the broker's chart, which is the XTB chart, a very good broker platform, which is their xStation 5, one of our top platforms that we recommend to FX traders, particularly in the UK and EU. Just super clean, amazing functionality, so we definitely recommend it here. But here's the actual trade. He took it in the screenshot as it was progressing towards his target. So there it is, 66.756. Here's his stop loss, and here's his take profit. And so let's get into the trade on the trading view charts. Okay, so here's the trade, and as you can see, he is trading counter trend. Generally, we recommend the majority of your trades are with trend. He is trading counter trend. So here, if you look at this here, it's just super strong, kind of a non-volatile trend here. We do form kind of a corrected pullback and a double top here. And so you can see bam, bam, double top here. And this is your kind of intraday or short-term support. It makes a new low down to here, which is right. If we mark this little line here, you can see this is this line right here and resistance over here. And so the mark comes back to it, finds the floor, buyers step back in really aggressively in the face of this here and just say, bears, we're pushing right back at you. They pretty much get to the same highs. And because right here, and this makes a higher low, you can see higher low, higher low, higher low, higher low. That means that the bulls are continuing to creep into the territory of the bears. The bears had a nice pushback here, weaker one here, and that's telling you that they are just running out of steam and energy to push back, and the bulls are absorbing those offers and coming back in and pushing the market higher and higher here. So it did have one little overshoot, and he felt like he wanted to get in on that there. He felt like this is going to hold, so he got on this little overshoot and took profit at this point right here. Now, he took profit a little bit below this one here, which is kind of smart, because if you're trading counter trend, you have to be out faster because you're trading against the dominant order flow in the market. And so since it's been building a series of higher lows, he felt like, yeah, I probably need to do the same thing. So he took a slightly shorter target than this right here. So looking at this entry here, you can kind of, it's pretty straightforward what this entry was about. This is the double rejection here. So awesome entry on this one here. In terms of his stop loss, which was 12 pips higher here, basically you got to go above this spike here. There's no way around it. You have to go above this spike here. And so he went above this, quite a few pips, about 8 pips above it here. And I think he did a nice job in giving it some space to do it there. I don't know if I would have given it that much, and who knows, I might have gotten stopped out on this one. If I'd given it maybe 2 or 3 pips room, there's a good chance I got stopped out. So he did a good job in giving himself enough of a buffer on this one here. And the trade after that, the next 15-minute candle literally went into the positive and never went into the negative again, went straight to it just beelined it to his target here. So entry, I give it an A overall here. Stop loss, really skillfully done here. You don't need huge stop losses in FX if you get really precise entries, and he got a really precise entry on this one here on the 15-minute time frame. So great job on the stop loss here. Also an A on that one here. And in terms of the target, honestly, I gotta hand it to him here. He did kind of follow, the counter trend rules, which is that, hey, he's seeing all these lower highs, so he felt like, look, this is just continuing to build. The chances of me getting down to here, that prior low, when every other prior low is built higher and higher, is slim. And so because the chances were that, he felt like I need to get a little bit more shallow than that. And so I think what he was probably going for was really bam, bam, these two kind of lit up candles right here in this little low right here before it launched higher. So that was his target, and it literally hit the target, went approximately 4 pips past his target, and then came right back higher right towards his entry. So super precise on his location. Again, following the most important counter trend rule, which is that if you are trading counter trend, you got to be out fast. Another important counter trend rule is you need a more precise entry because you are trading against the order flow. That's part of the reason why you got to get out faster, because that order flow is like this big moving ship coming your way. You need to get out of the way fast. So you got to take your quick profits and then get out. And you also need a very precise location. So those are two of the most important things that when you do trade counter trend, you need the right location, super precise location. You need to get out fast, and if anything, you also need the right timing. So you can call those the 3 most important characteristics when trading counter trend. But overall, I give this an A+ trade all around. So congratulations to gentlemen on this one here, making this week's top trade review. With that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel, smash the like button for the great trade here and for the great video job we did on this one here. And make sure you sign up for notifications so that anytime we do a new video or put something on our community channel, trade idea or anything like that, you will get notified instantaneously. It really helps us out with the YouTube algorithm. They shine the love back to us and we get to shine the love back to you with more free videos and more trade ideas. So please do that. We really appreciate it there. Other than that, I'll look forward to your comments and feedback on this trade here, what trades you are looking at right now, and what topics you would like to see a trading video on. So with that being said, have a great day. Good luck trading, and I'll see you in the next video.